Struggling to get views on your Facebook Reels? You are probably doing it wrong. Hi, I am Comfort, a social media manager helping brands, company, and creators grow online. In this video, I'll show you how to post your Reels on Facebook the right way to get more visibility, reach, and engagement. Watch till the end because just one of these tips will change your results overnight. You click on your Facebook app. Once it opens, do not post directly from here. Then you click on your profile. Once it's on, you scroll down. You're going to see Reel. You click on Reel. See, it's coming up. So I want to select what I want to post. So I want to post a video. Then you click on Add Music. So once you click on Add Music, you will see For You. Please, I will advise you don't just post on Facebook because you want to select any music you want. No, this For You. Leave these songs here. Then you see trending. Trending are the song that is currently trending at the moment. That is the song people are listening to. That is the song that is making waves currently. So you select the ones you like. You can see now. Let's see. This Ariki has 73,000 people that already used it. So our advice, if you want to use any sound, check the amount of people that have used it. So if you want to go viral on Facebook or your Facebook profile or your personal Facebook, do not go with sound that has 552,000 people already. It will not showcase you. So now you can see this is Rema. It has 4,900,000 people. So I will advise you use that. When you click on next, this is called describe your reel. This is where you drop your caption and your hashtag. You click on it. I've already copied what I want to paste. You just paste it here, or you can type what you want to use. So yeah, this is what I did. I said I have written my caption, so this is it now. You will come here. It's showing public. If you want it to be public now, then this is scheduling tools options. This is where you can schedule it for later. Then here they say share to your story. If you want it to be shared to your story, fine. If you don't want it to be shared to your story, you can come and unmute it. But me, I prefer posting separately on my Facebook profile, and later I'll go to my Facebook story and post it too. Then here I have a playlist, so I may decide to add any playlist, but let me leave that one for now. Then if you want to post the reel, you can actually click on post. But to me, I don't want to post the reel, so I'll just leave it. Well, I can actually click on post though. Then here you click on share to groups. Click on share to groups. Then here I can select. I'm talking about property, so I want to select property group here. Then I'll post my caption. You can see. I'll come over here again. I just want to select property groups in Nigeria or Abuja. So if you want to do post on your Facebook, always share to the group that are relevant to what you are posting. If you are into fashion, you don't need to come and share it to any real estate group. You look for a fashion group or you look for a business Facebook group and share to it. So this helps you to get more visibility, more people that will like your page, more people that will like your content, and from there they'll follow you on page, and the next thing is they were going to patronize you. So now I'm done with my settings. Here it said share now. You click on share now. You see beginning upload. Thank you for waiting. You can adjust both settings. It's currently posting. Once you click on like, on this comment section, profile to check for it. So I'm going back to my profile. Come here. I may just decide to write a very catchy word. I'll just decide to write something very important. I said, invest now. I can just say, since I'm talking about property, I said, invest now before it's too late. You paste it. Property is a generational wealth. Then you paste it. So once you paste it, you're fine. Then you just wait for your reels to start getting views. So if you found this helpful, please like the post, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channels for more updates and more tips on how to grow your business, how to make sales, and how to stand out in your business or in your companies. Thank you. See you on my next video.